20 years of playing guitar and I had very little to show for my efforts. So today I'm gonna tell you why I stopped grinding exercises and what I'm doing instead. And you'll leave with a template you can customize for your own plan to know what to learn and why. Let's go.
Can you play something?
The worst question you can ask a lead guitar player. Why? We don't know any songs. I mostly play my own stuff. That's what I'd usually say. But I hadn't written anything new since high school, had not recorded anything worth showing. I mean, I hated this question because it exposed how useless I was as a guitar player. Hundreds of hours of practice time, nothing to show for it. And it wasn't until I started this YouTube channel that I realized we're learning guitar all wrong. And I was thinking about better ways to help my viewers, and videos like the best exercises for finger dexterity. That wasn't it. Because all of that crap led to the same place I was stuck in for years, not having anything to play for people. I got really into what makes the pros so good, right? What do they do that we don't? And when I made my video, Why Pros Are Better Than You, I was close, but I didn't see the whole picture yet. Most of us practice guitar for the vague, abstract goal of getting good at guitar, whatever that means. But the pros, well, they write songs, they play shows, they're building material, they're building a career. What are we building? I've been asked so many times, what should I learn? I don't know what to learn. It's not a bad question, but it's not the right one. What do you want out of guitar? What would it take for you to feel really good about your guitar playing? Some people want to play their favorite tunes. Some want to write their own stuff. Both are great goals. But now, what do I want? I want to create music that moves people. I want to have my music out there online so when people wonder if rap is any good, they can look it up themselves. I've always loved writing songs or improvising, but it's scary to put your own stuff out there because it's like saying, here's the best I can do. Now come and judge me. Now I'm running a YouTube learning channel, so of course most of my practice time is related to my channel. But these days I'm writing a song using only the cage system for the rhythm and the lead. And my goal here is to prove that you don't need to know much theory and exercises to write something that's worth a damn. I'm doing this to prove a point, but also inspire maybe beginners or intermediate player. I hope this will also inspire advanced players that, like me, were maybe stuck into this grinding exercises phase. Someone commented under one of my videos, you have to practice every scale, every triads, every finger combination possible on the neck to be ready for everything. Why? What are you preparing for? While you're doing this, you got guys that are 10 times less skilled than you that have released 10 times more music. Who's winning? I mean, MGK won Alternative Album of the Year. Think about that. So not long ago I decided that everything that I'm working on needs to be building towards something I can show people. So here's the actionable part of the video. So what kind of project can we build and how are they going to help us feel better about our guitar playing? Having a goal like this is going to remove so much of the stress of having to figure out what you're supposed to learn, because it puts us in problem-solving mode. So if you want to learn a song, let's pick something cheesy, Enter Sandman. You're gonna have to practice power chords, down picking, palm muting, string muting, because electric guitars are messy. Practicing sliding chords, what scale the song is into, what glues these chords together. If you're also learning the solo, you're gonna have to learn minor pentatonic, the minor scale, a few arpeggios, sliding scales, octave playing, bending, vibrato. And maybe you have a hard time with bending, right? So now we're in problem-solving mode. How do people bend? How do the pro bends? How does Kirk Hammett bends? You look it all up, you learn. If you want to write a song, what chords can I play in any given scale? How do I change key in the song? If you want to. I mean, you don't have to. What are time signature and should I care? How to write a melody over a chord progression? How to make a song sad or happy? Is it just about scale? Probably not. And think about this. No one that's in a band stresses over what they're supposed to learn. Being in a band destroys the guesswork. You don't want to be in a band? No problem. You can write a song, learn a song, add a guitar solo to a track that doesn't have one, make a blues cover of Cowboys from Hell. Build projects that you'll be proud to show people. You're building a portfolio. And commit to sharing these online. You can create an anonymous account if you need to. You don't have to show your face, but put stuff out there. And focus all of your practice time into this one project, one at a time. I'm not saying you can never noodle in front of the TV, but all of your focused practice session needs to be building toward this one. If you start to wonder, man, I need to keep practicing my scale, I need to run arpeggios around the circle of fifths, now you're gonna divide your attention and you're gonna stall everywhere. To get you started, I made a template you can customize to your own plan. It will help you ask the right questions to pinpoint what you want to learn to finish your projects. The link is in the description. Guys, I appreciate you watching the whole thing. Cheers.